Well, folks, it's already Lana Wachowski's birthday already since June 21st, which is last weekend. Yep. She born on June 21st, 1965. Yep, she's 61 now. Still young, still make movies. I know, the brothers who make The Matrix, they're ladies now. Like, wow. There used to be Larry and Andy, but now it's ladies now. Lilly and Lana now. So anyway, let's get started. First up, from 1995, Assassins, but writer for the Wachowskis. Yep, from Sylvester Stallone and Antonio Banderas. Bound, writer, executive producer, writer, and director, 1996, with Jennifer Tilly. Yep, this movie's turning 30 now. The Matrix, 1999, with Keanu Reeves. Yep. Plus Lawrence Fishburne, Carrie-Anne Moss, and Hugo Weaving. 2001, The Matrix Revisited, but executive producer. Okay. The Animatrix, that's 2003, but producer and writer. The Matrix Reloaded and Revolution. They're both 2003. Wow. V for Vendetta, 2005. But writer and producer. Huh. Okay. Natalie Portman. The Invasions, but rewrites. That was 2007 with Nicole Kidman and Daniel Craig. Speed Racer, 2008. Oh, that's a good one. Producer, writer, and director. Yep, Emile Hirsch made this. But I did watch the re-release movie, by the way. Yep, because I haven't watched it for 18 years. Ninja Assassin. Oh my gosh. Yep, that's a good movie. Rain. Yep, I love Rain. And besides, he's already 44 now. Yep. His birthday was yesterday. I know. He did Bad Guy, How to Avoid the Sun, It's Raining, Eternal Rain, Rain's World, and then Ransom and Rain Effect. And then the tours, Raining Day, Rain's Coming World Tour, Legend of Ransom, and then Still Raining. Asian tours, we have Rain Loves Japan, Jeep, Zep, The Best Show, Story of Rain, Rain Effect China Concert Series, and the Squawko World Tour. All right, there you go. Oh, yes. But the only movie I know him is two movies, Speed Racer and Ninja Assassin. Yep, that's it. Nothing else. So yeah, so happy belated birthday to Rain, the entertainer. I know he's starring I'm a Cyborg, but that's okay. As Park, the second son, Speed Racer as Tejo, Renzu as Ninja Assassin, and then R2B Return to Base as June, the Princess Mark for Love or Money as Zoe, and then Race to King Freedom as Umpa. Yep. Oh, and the shows, none of them I know. Shag Dog, Let's Go to School, Full House, Old Miss Diary, Ben June, drama, A Love to Kill, The Fugitives, Plan B, My Lovely Girl, Diamond Lover, Comeback, Mr. Sketch, Welcome to Life, Ghost, Doctor, and Under the Queen's Umbrella. Okay, web series he done, Red Swan and Bloodhounds. Okay. Hosting, we have Music Banks. Yep, that was 2002 to 4. Documentaries, Rain is Coming, Legend of Rain, and Hip Korea. Okay, TV shows, but everything is himself and other stuff. Soulmates, Raining Day, Rain on Trip, Rain Effect, The Unity, Rain is Back, Island, Hang Out with You, Gulton and Furry, Be Minturous, Take One, Asia, Super Young, and The Village Barber. Alright, so there you go. So that's all of Rain movies and shows. So happy belated birthday to Rain. He's 44. Now let's go back to Lana Wachowski's. Alright, now Cloud Atlas 2012. Writer, producer, and director. With co-director with Tom Tywell. And it's by Tom Hanks. Because I love Tom Hanks from Toy Story as Woody. Yep. Google Me Love, but executive producer, 2014. Jupiter Ascending, yes. Channing Tatum made it with Mila Kunis. The Matrix Resurrections, only Lana Wachowski. This movie is turning 5 now. 5. And then everything is executive Lilly stuff. We have Castronia movie, Analogy 2, best of word, both words. Dolls, again, 2026 with Mia Moore. And then we're waiting for Trash Mountain. Okay. Televisions. Sense8 and Work in Progress. Yep. Creator, she did for Sense8. Okay. Video games. Enter the Matrix Online, Path of Neo, and Awakens. Music video, Ellipses is Dancing. Yep. Oh, no. Sorry. And now comic books. Clive Barker's is Hellraiser, Night Breeds, and then Book of the Damned. Echo Kid, The Matrix Comics, Doc Frankenstein, and Shaolin Cowboy. Alright, there you go, guys. So happy belated birthday to Lana Wachowski, born on June 21st, 1965. And happy belated birthday to Rain, born on June 25th. Wait, hold on. June 25th, what year he born? Because he's already, let me see. Where is it? Oh, June 25th, 1982. All right, there you go. Good. Yes.